Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. I have the links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, Buy Me a Coffee/MindYourCrypto, or BillMindYourCrypto.com. You will get tons of profits, including an automated system with 200 altcoin scalping trading strategy, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, random giveaways, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, and of course you will get tons of other benefits. Join us and you won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see ADA Cardano right now. So what do we have here with ADA on the daily frame is that we are back on the levels we were back on July. Okay, this is a very huge bearish market right here for ADA, going down 70% from the price it was back on 2nd September. Okay, huge drop down for ADA. What is the future right now? What are the next price targets? Where can we go? Can we go even higher? Will we go and maintain this whole support level area that we have with ADA or not? Okay, we are going to start a little bit here. This rectangle right here is a great support level area for ADA. Can we get it and get past above, maintain, remain, and have a crazy swing high, maybe even higher than 1.61? Let's see some beautiful things right here. First of all, we are going to analyze the daily frame. So each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. All right, so therefore we are going to see the daily frame and the daily potential for ADA Cardano. Let's go and dive into maybe if we have a bullish RSI divergence or so. Yes, we have. Right here you can see a higher low pattern from 10 January to 22nd January while we make lower lows. Okay, so right here this is a clear bullish RSI divergence on the daily frame. Will it play out? Because we had also a bullish RSI divergence back on ADA, okay, from this 10 December to the 9th January as well. We had a swing high, okay. Of course, the bullish RSI divergence played out. We had a 50% swing high and then we dropped down. Now we have another bullish RSI divergence with the commodity channel index below the minus 100, with the stochastic RSI going into an oversold situation and the Fisher transform into a neutral, a mini oversold situation position right there. So it is very possible that we can maintain and we can go towards the next price targets. I will use better the trend-based Fibonacci extension from the bottom on 10 January up to the top on 18 and going back to the bottom on 22nd. You can see right here that we have the 1.31 as the first resistance level in which we broke above, maybe the 1.20 and after the 1.26. Let's see if we can manage to go in there. On the time being, of course, we have a higher risk due to the fact that Bitcoin is still unstable. Unfortunately, it might go further down, okay, and we might be having some lower levels, but at the end of the day, I think that we can go even higher. On the time being, though, the trend-based Fibonacci extension from the bottom on 10 January up to the top on 18 and back to the bottom on 22nd January is going to have these targets right here, potentially the 1.36 as well. I think that the bullish RSI divergence could play out. We could see some higher lows. The only problem here is if Bitcoin crashes down. If Bitcoin crashes down, then we are going to lose this momentum, of course, and we are going to lose some important support levels. I think that right now we are in a great buying opportunity for ADA. On the long term, we can potentially grow even further upwards. On the time being, we have the weekly commodity channel index in an oversold situation again. When we are into this area, we have a great time of reaccumulation and going even higher. On the short term now, let's see some short-term price analysis and price prediction. Let's make it, okay? So on the short term, we have the stochastic RSI into an overbought situation right there. Okay, so despite the fact that the price cannot go very much higher, we have already an overbought with the stochastic RSI. We have to see how it will correspond into this overbought situation right there. It is very important to know that it's very difficult right now to break all these targets. However, for the short term, we have the 1.20 and the 1.27, okay, as our next resistance levels right there. If we can manage to pass above and close above the 1.20, we will be going to the 1.28. All of the 1.20 1.20 is a very strong resistance level for now. You can see why multiple times we found buying pressure right here, and now unfortunately it has become and it will become our resistance level until we break above and pass above for ADA. Okay, in the meantime we can go even higher on the 1.36, but at the end of the day we have to see how it will correspond to the high risk we have due to the stochastic RSI and of course the RSI right here. We had a little bit of an oversold, an extreme oversold actually for ADA. Right now we are going higher, but it isn't necessary that we will go above the 70. We might correct here and go back to another bullish RSI divergence, maybe on the 4-hour frame. We will see about that. Although I think that this point right here below the 1 Tether USD for ADA is a great reaccumulation point. Okay, for the future as well, it will be totally awesome right here. 1.20, 1.28 and 1.36 ADA's price, and if Bitcoin decides to go above the 69k, then we could have a very huge momentum for ADA going up to the 2.30 and even higher above the 3 Tether USD, of course. But at the end of the day we have to see Bitcoin going upwards, going even higher. Okay, so we are going to have the trend-based Fibonacci extension. You can see that we have resistance on the first level right here on the 1.40. I think that we can manage to go to the 4.26, but that is if Bitcoin goes above the 69k, which is very unlikely in the short and mid term. Okay, we have to wait longer, but with a nice swing high of Bitcoin we could potentially move to the 2 Tether USD, and there we could have some nice profits. And also the fact that many people bought here, so they could have the chance actually to sell on 2 Tether USD. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscriptions. Links in the description down below. You can either join one of the links actually, whatever you want, whatever you like. You will get tons of benefits, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.